step into the Dodge 2019 Journey say. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include monotone paint application, touring suspension, blacktop package included, touring suspension wheels, 17 inches x 6.5 fully painted black gloss black rear fascia applique black headlamp bezels gloss black grille gloss black exterior mirrors, engine, 2.4 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT, STD, quick order package 22A included, engine 2.4 Li 4 DOHC 16V dual VVT transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, pitch black clear coat, connectivity group included, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth leather-wrapped steering wheel, Uconnect voice command with Bluetooth included, leather-wrapped steering wheel and transmission, 4-speed automatic VLP, STD. This vehicle shows